Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today I'm actually going to be talking to you about something that I'm seriously starting to consider investing quite a big bag in. And so if you do like the videos, do hit the like and subscribe button. Purpose of the videos is to get straight to the point, figure it out, send you the information, and for you guys to go away and do your own research and see if you see what I see in particular projects. So I'm looking at Quant quite seriously now. I've been, I understand a little bit about it up until now, but I've decided to really dive deep and because I think that there's actually quite a big opportunity coming up with this particular cryptocurrency. And so for those of you that don't know, you can go on quant.network to learn more about the company's vision and what they're up to. And their goal is to connecting all the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth. So from a technology point of view, they got Overledger Enterprises, Overledger Network Enterprises, Overledger Community Network, and the CQ network as well. And you can learn more about these. As I said, the videos is not to give you a full in-depth, 1 hour guide on what everything that I'm up to, is to give you a taste so you go away and do your own research as well. And if you are a fan of Quant, I do want you to leave a comment because this is something that I'm thinking about. And if you know more than me in regards to this, please put it in the comments below because I'd love to hear your feedback, as I know that there are people that have done tons and tons of research on this. So I'm looking at this, and then I'm looking at, what people are saying out there in the community, and I'm looking at the charts because at the end of the day, people lie, but the charts never lie. And this is looking good, like from, consolidation phase that they've had now. It had a breakout. Now it's sort of been consolidating for a bit, and I think the next run up is going to be quite nice. So Oracle has confirmed that KPMG is a client of Quant. Now, as we know, KPMG is a huge business around the world, and so for KPMG to be a client of Quant is quite positive and very bullish news. The other thing as well is that from a partnership point of view is, there's a lot of things being discussed at the moment, and SIA, Europe's leading payments provider network, is the backbone of the European financial market, and this plugs Quant into the financial system that connects 850 banks, including the central bank. So that is very, very bullish news for the Quant project. Again, if you know more about this, put it in the comments below. If we look at today's price of Quant, is sitting at $42.27 at the time of making this right now. And it looks good, like the way that we see here, there was a huge, consolidation phase. It broke out. It broke out quite aggressively, around January 18th, skyrocketed, went all the way to 47. And now it's sort of been, going back and forwards, around that 40, 42 mark. So what does it look like? If we look at TradingView, they are saying it's a strong signal for a buy at the moment. If we look at the charts, that's what I think is going to happen right now. I think we're going to be playing around in the 40s, 44s, 45s, or a bit more before it makes its next run up to 65. If we continue to look, another scenario that we could be looking at is that support could be sitting at around 35, which would follow that trend line before the next run up to 65 and 75 and beyond. So again, getting in at 35 would be fantastic, but even right now at 44, if you want to get in, it depends all on your strategy. And, I'm not a financial advisor, certainly not financial advice, but, do your own research when it comes to this. And so again, some people are even saying, 28, it could be a resistance point that you can get back in. So very, very interesting what's going on at the moment in the Quant world. Would love to know your feedback in the comments about what you think. And do you think the next run up for Quant is that 65, 75 mark? So love to know more. As always, thank you so much. And again, the purpose of the videos is to give you a taste and then for you to go away and come up with your own research. And I'd love to know what you guys think about this one. Am I onto something right here? And so, as always, if you like the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for being a part of this. I look forward to see you on the next one.